Hello everyone, you are welcome to this discussion. Today we are going to look at free alternative to Microsoft Office. My name is Patugu II. If you are ready, let's go straight into it. To understand this video, I am going to categorize it into two, the online version and the desktop version. Now, let me begin with the desktop version. Number one, Apache OpenOffice. Apache OpenOffice, a popular open source office suite, has everything a small company owner needs. Its tools are comparable to those found in Office 365 and other Microsoft products. It has Writer for word processor, Calc for spreadsheets, Impress for slides and presentation, and so on. OpenOffice is compatible with most Microsoft file extensions, including .doc and .ppt, and works on Windows and Linux devices. Number two, LibreOffice. Another free open source office suite is LibreOffice. It uses the same underlying source code as Apache OpenOffice and provides a full-featured Office suite that includes Writer, Calc, Impress, and so on. LibreOffice differs from OpenOffice because it has a more active international community of devoted volunteers who continue to improve the program. LibreOffice is compatible with Microsoft file extensions for word processing, presentation, spreadsheets, and publishers. And it also utilizes the Open Document Format (ODF) for optimum compatibility. Number three, Kingsoft WPS Office. WPS Office from Kingsoft is the closest free alternative to Microsoft Office, although it only provides three main programs, that is, Writer, Presentation, and Spreadsheet. These tools have the familiar appearance and extensive capabilities of their Microsoft Office counterparts. Users who are already familiar with Word, PowerPoint, and Excel will find WPS Office straightforward to use due to the copied layout and design. WPS Office is available for download for Windows, Linux, and Android devices. It also has PDF converter, spell checking, multiple document tabs, and document encryption. Number four, NeoOffice. NeoOffice is a Mac Office suite that is based on both Apache OpenOffice and LibreOffice. It caters to the demand and sensibilities of Mac users by providing more functionality that are not present in Mac version of OpenOffice. NeoOffice has the appearance and feel of Mac software. NeoOffice is available for download through the Mac App Store. It supports OpenOffice, LibreOffice, and Microsoft Office 5 formats. I hope you are enjoying the list. Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe if you have not done so. This will help my channel to grow. Also, remember to click on the like button so that others will see this video. Okay, let's go back to business. Now, let us go to the second category of this video, which is the online version of Microsoft Office alternatives. Number five, Google Workspace. The Google Workspace platform allows users to create, edit, collaborate on many sorts of files. It contains the Google Docs for word processing, Sheets for spreadsheet editor, Slides for presentation creator. Others are Forms, Calendar, and so on. All completed documents are saved in the user's Google Drive account for easy collaboration and access. Google Drive requires a Google account and offers 15 gigabytes of free storage. Number six, iWork for iCloud. Apple's iWork for iCloud package comprises the Pages for web processor, Numbers for spreadsheet editor, and Keynote for presentation maker. Anyone with an Apple ID may access it, and it works on Mac and PC browsers as well as mobile devices. Users may also share files with non-iCloud users via unique URLs for real-time collaboration and presentations, irrespective of the device they use. You get 5 GB of free storage with iWork for iCloud, and you can buy more if you wish. Number 7. Zoho Docs. The Zoho Docs all-in-one solution include an online office suite as well as a platform for file storage, sharing, and management. To begin, you may use Zoho's Writer, Sheet, and Show tools to create, manage, share, and publish files. You may then invite other users to contribute and give assignments to measure progress. Despite the fact that Zoho is limited to only 3 Office apps, you may save documents and files in any format and share them with anybody using dedicated URLs. Zoho Docs is accessible via the web as well as iOS and Android smartphones. Free plans provides 5 GB of storage. In order to choose the best alternative to Microsoft Office Suite, here are 5 factors you should consider. Number 1, user friendliness. Number 2, compatibility with files. Number 3, capabilities for security. Number 4, data storage. Number 5, platform suitability. I hope you enjoyed the list. Remember to subscribe if you have not done so. If you have any question, use the comment section below. I will personally attend to it. Until next video, bye for now.